Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I'll show you how to make lines on Google Docs. Okay, there are two types of lines. First, if you want to make the just horizontal line on your Google Docs, you just put your cursor on any place and then click insert here, and then you can click this horizontal line. See, now I have the a long line through the width of page. So, and then the second one, if you want to create the line that hover or in front of the text, you can click insert, and then you can click drawing, and then you click new. After that, you can click this on select line. For example, I want to make an arrow line like this, and then I will make it thicker. For example, I want to 8 pixel, and I will make it different of this arrow. For example, this arrow, and then oops, I will delete it. And then after that, you can adjust your line, for example this one, and then save and close. Now this is your line. See, you can make it in front of the text like this, so you can make it like this and so on. Also, you can make it below the text and so on and so on and so on. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.